Hey everyone, I'm Nadia, a pediatric physiotherapist. Today, we will share with you simple yet effective exercises to help you recover, stay strong, and maintain an active lifestyle. No matter your age, exercise plays a crucial role in your recovery. It strengthens your heart, boosts your mood, improves your stamina, and very important for your daily functioning. Let's go! Before starting, always remember to warm up, check your heart rate, stay hydrated, and wear comfortable clothing to ensure a safe environment. If standing exercises are challenging, try these seated alternatives to keep your body active and engaged. Warming up is essential. It gradually increases your heart rate, loosens muscles, and reduces the risk of injury. Start with light movements like walking or marching in place. Keep a steady, comfortable pace where you can still talk easily. Strength training is important for maintaining muscle mass and supporting daily activities. Use small weight and avoid straining. Cardio exercises such as aerobic can quickly raise your heart rate and boost your stamina. Cooling down is just as important as warming up. It helps prevent stiffness, promotes flexibility, and aids recovery. Exercise doesn't have to be difficult. Start small, move at your own pace, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Remember, consistency is the key. Thank you for joining us. Keep moving, stay healthy, and consult a medical professional to start a new exercise routine. In IJN, we'll always be here for you. See you next video. Bye-bye! No matter your age, exercise plays a crucial role. Biasa, benda ni memang biasa jadi.